So you want to make a bowl? Well, here's what you do. Just send your clay, make basically a cylinder, but I let it go out a little bit, and then I shape it with a wooden rib. And then when I'm done with that, I smooth the lip up with a wet paper towel and cut it off the wheel. Here's a little bit larger piece of clay. This time I want to do a more bulbous form bowl. So basically the same thing, I just make it a different shape. And then I make a nice smooth lip and cut it off the wheel. This time I thought I would try a little bit bigger piece of clay. I wanted to do a really wide and shallow bowl, so same idea. I pull it up, but instead of making a cylinder, I'm making it go out a little bit. And then I'll take a rib tool again and push it down. Just shape that inside curve real nice and smooth. And then smooth the lip with a wet paper towel and cut it off the wheel.